Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Dutch ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, my name is Thomas. Welcome to the 2000 Core Dutch Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is onbeduidend, insignificant, onbeduidend, onbeduidend, insignificant, onbeduidend bedrag, insignificant amount, onbeduidend bedrag. Beroemd, famous, beroemd, beroemd, famous, beroemde acteur, famous actor, beroemde acteur. Niezen, sneeze, niezen, niezen, sneeze. De vrouw is aan het niezen. The woman is sneezing. De vrouw is aan het niezen. Casual, 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 casual. Casual kleding, casual clothing. Casual kleding. Gitaar, guitar, gitaar, gitaar, guitar. Zessnarige gitaar. Six-string guitar. Zessnarige gitaar. Ademen. Breathe. Ademen. Ademen. Breathe. Diep ademen. Breathe deeply. Diep ademen. Spugen. Spit. Spugen. Spugen. Spit. Niet spugen. No spitting. Niet spugen. Tandarts. Dentist. Tandarts. Tandarts. Dentist. Een tandarts bezoeken. See a dentist. Een tandarts bezoeken. Gaatje. Cavity. Gaatje. Gaatje. Cavity. Diep gaatje. Deep cavity. Diep gaatje. Astma. 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 Astma puffer. Astma inhaler. Astma Perfect. Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or phrase in English. Respond in Dutch, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say insignificant? Onbeduidend. Onbeduidend. And how to say famous? Beroemd. Beroemd. What about sneeze? Niezen. Niezen. Do you remember how to say casual? Casual. Casual. Let's try guitar. Gitaar. Gitaar. What about breathe? Ademen. Ademen. Now let's see if you remember how to say spit. Spugen. Spugen. Another one. What about dentist? Tandarts. Tandarts. Do you remember how to say cavity? Gaatje. Gaatje. And finally, do you remember how to say asthma? Asthma. Asthma. Well done. See you next time. Tot ziens.
Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Dutch ebook before it's gone.